Let's take a look at the Reports feature. To get started, go to the Presentation ribbon and select Reports. This opens the Report dialog, where you can choose from a variety of report types depending on the information you need. Available reports include quotes, contracts, cabinet lists, installation reports, and more. You can also configure additional report options to include more information and customize the final output. These settings allow you to tailor the report to your specific business needs and ensure the most relevant details are presented to your customer. After configuring your report options, click View to generate a preview and review the information before sharing it with your customer or team. When you're ready, click Export to save the report with the desired file extension. Reports provide a quick and efficient way to transform your design data into professional documents that support sales, ordering, installation, and project planning.